This small sea of orange on the corner of Albert and 2nd Street is a show of support for a brand new walkway. According to Mayor John Henderson, it's about moving towards reconciliation and honoring the legacy of residential schools.
We will build a united bridge. And I know our council has been working extremely diligently with staff to build a bridge with Alderville First Nations and, in fact, all indigenous communities. We have a shirt today, and everybody has the same message. Every child matters. These are words, but I encourage all of us to put the words into action, because without action, they're just words.
The Seven Feathers crosswalk in the downtown core is painted orange with white feathers to signify the 7 grandfather teachings. Chief Dave Mowat gave an overview of the history of the residential school system that operated in Canada for over 100 years. Mowat says that's encouraging, but more needs to be done.
And the curriculum too needs to be tackled, and these lessons need to be fleshed out in more thorough detail for the young children.
Today, let us remember the thousands of unmarked graves.
Residential school survivor Stephen Pashagamshkam was born on a trapline in Fort George, Quebec. At the age of 6, he was taken away by plane. He said some of his friends didn't make it home.
When the plane landed again in our community, some mothers were anxiously waiting to see their children that never got off that plane. They didn't arrive because they were either not here with us anymore, or they were in hospital or something.
It's stories like this that Corey Matson says needs to be brought to light. He says the crosswalk is a conversation starter.
I think it's just the same with all of us wearing our shirts. It just gets people asking questions like, what's going on? Because this wasn't something that I learned, or a lot of people learned in school.
After the ceremony ended, many took the opportunity to pose and share with their new crosswalk. Anna Francis, APTN National News, Cobourg.